We pride ourselves in providing students what we've labeled as the CAFNR Experience. We have so many opportunities for students here in CAFNR.
Coming to a campus such as the University of Missouri was a big change. There are resources out there to help you through there. You won't get lost in the mist. You're not just a number here at college.
I came in agriculture undeclared and just really didn't know my place. But CAFNR's really been a place that I've been able to find my family, find my home, and everyone has been able to help me out along that journey and along that process.
Well, for me, CAFNR has been an experience because I didn't grow up in agriculture at all. All I knew is that I love food, I love people, and I love health. It opened my eyes to that and also enhanced my yearning for helping inner city communities.
I think really having a faculty advisor has been extremely beneficial because I've got to know them rather quickly. We've developed that relationship, and whether it's a personal concern or an academic concern or obstacle in my life, Dr. Tummins is there to help me, and so has definitely facilitated my success here at the university.
You know, we've got faculty who are senior editors of the leading journals in their field, and they're teaching freshman and sophomore level courses.
I think in every experience that I've had within CAFNR, whether it was studying abroad in Italy or in Costa Rica, the classes that I've taken, the professors and advisors that have taken me under their wing, I've always learned something new.
With any major, there are a lot of different hands-on learning opportunities for students here within the College of Agriculture, Food and Natural Resources, and I think that's extremely beneficial for our students because they're not waiting a year or two to jump into their major.
Having labs and on-campus farms really helps kids strive in understanding the material and broadening their horizons as far as where they can go. There are very good opportunities for you after college as well if you're willing to come here.
When students complete their degree in 4 years, they can look out and they have a number of options and opportunities available to them. We're providing our students with access to some of the best opportunities for careers available. Choosing a college or university is one of the biggest and most important decisions that students and families make. In the College of Ag, Food and Natural Resources, I know that there is a commitment to student success, and I can say with great confidence that we do everything we can every day at Mizzou and in the College of Agriculture, Food and Natural Resources to honor that trust. And it's a choice that I trusted with my own daughter.